Alright, so here we have my lawnmower deck for my riding mower, and I had to take it off there last week and bring it over to my cousin to get it welded here, and he welded it up for me. And now while the deck's off the machine, I'm going to take the blades off and sharpen them up before I reinstall the deck, and then I'll hit this with some spray paint. Well, I got my 2 lawnmower blades sharpened on this grinder, and my cousin gave that to me too. He didn't need it no more, so this was the belt that was on it. It was a little bit too loose for the speed I needed, so I put a different belt on, and it ran good. It's got an on-off switch.